Thank you for joining this channel, Consumers Doctor's channel. Today's topic is personalized health insurance. Personalized health insurance is a voluntary, hassle-free idea that focuses on the importance of the health insurance affordability and choice. It does not mandate any plan or any design, folks. That's very, very important. How do you personalize health insurance affordability? Folks, it's very simple. Very simple. Either you're working for a larger employer groups. Most of the larger employer groups already are self-funded. 200 million Americans already participating. Among the larger employer groups, they already have some type of a deductible health plan with health savings accounts. Whereas people who are 65 to 70 million Americans on Medicare, they do have Medicare. And this is where I would like to see a dramatic shift, because Medicare is putting the money into the insurers' pockets. So-called Medigap plans or Medicare Advantage plans, so-called managed care organizations, they're pumping the money into the insurers' pockets. I would rather give that money to the seniors so they don't have to literally give the money. They make sure they get the best health insurance, which is affordable, and whatever the money it is saved by getting the health, you can lower your premium by getting a deductible health plans, whatever your affordability is. By doing that, they're saving a part of the $1,200 that should go into the health savings accounts. That's the beauty, folks. That should go into the health savings accounts. 70 million Americans. And you're talking about between 28 to 30 million uninsured. How do you provide the care for these folks? So-called majority of these folks in the uninsured group are self-employed or working for a small mom and pop businesses, under 50 employees, so-called small businesses. This is where most of these folks are working in a restaurant. Almost all the doctor's offices, they don't have health insurance. Restaurants have no insurance. Small businesses, under 50 employees. Majority of the assisted living facilities, they are under 50 employees. They have no health insurance. Folks, there is a way to do. Now this minimum wage thing is making it difficult. I would rather focus on the workman's comp side, where lots of funds are going into the workman's comp. That needs to be reformed in such a way. Half of it should go, more than half should go to the health insurance, where by lowering the premium, you can put money aside. Employer can contribute to the employees. This is for a small business employers. They can contribute into the health savings accounts for their employees, and the employees can match. That is the way to do it, folks. Employees can match and contribute part of their savings to it. But it has to be health savings, not flexible savings. Flexible savings, the funds, they disappear every year. I don't like it. I would rather have employers embrace the idea of health savings account, and that those funds are completely under the control of the consumer, the employees. They should be able to put money aside into the Ameritrade brokerage account, leaving some funds like $2,000 to $3,000. Rest of the funds should go into the health savings, into the Ameritrade. they are divested into the market with especially index funds, not individual stocks, index funds, where the market appreciates over a period of time. Small businesses need the attention. That's where we are not, I think most of this uninsured segment is. And self-employed, so-called, they have their own businesses. For some reason, folks, I have no idea why they don't want to buy health insurance, because they're wasting their money. They're wrong. They're wrong. I'm telling you. All the self-employed people are out there. You're losing a big opportunity by not participating, not buying health insurance. I encourage all the self-employed to buy health insurance, deductible health plans, obviously. Lower your premiums. If you're healthy, lower your premiums. If you're, even if you are at risk or chronic illness, you can lower your premiums. And whatever the money you're saving, put aside into the health savings accounts. And health savings accounts, again, divested into the market where money grows. Folks, it's a very neat concept. I'm talking about, for an individual, $300 a month, that's $3,600 a year. For a family is $600 a month, $7,200 a year. Can you imagine if they start contributing from the age of 40 over next 20 years? Their funds will grow dramatically. By the time they reach Medicare, they don't need to even have to. They can easily afford the Medicare supplemental, and they don't have to depend on the government. And the Medicare itself should invest in you, that they should give you that $1,200 of Medicare to seniors. I wish AARP is listening. They should invest in seniors, and they should be able to put money aside like anybody else. Right now, if you're in Medicare, you can't put money aside into the health savings. That needs to change. That needs to change. Even Medicare recipients, if they receive $1,200, portion of that those funds should be able to afford health insurance, and they should be able to save money into the health savings. I think they need to reform the Medicare, where even seniors should be able to participate in Medicare for savings accounts. People who can't take care of themselves, there are only 2% of the segment of the population. They're physically impaired, economically impaired. You mean to say the US cannot take care, America cannot take care, the federal and state government cannot handle that? Come on. You're talking about 2% of the population, folks. With federal and state subsidies, they should be able to cover these folks who are physically and economically impaired and unemployed. Yes, unemployed. This is the way to go, folks. This is my vision. And I would like to thank Ron Bachman for writing a book on unlocking the secrets of the health insurance premium. And I'd like to encourage you to read, everybody, Unlocking the Secrets of the Health Insurance Premium, which will be linked to this video clip, and everybody can read it. And make some comment, folks. I would love to hear some comments from you guys. It doesn't matter. I love the critique part of it. I would like to see some comments. Hopefully, I'm trying to educate people who really need, especially people when they don't want to buy health insurance, they are making the biggest mistake of their life. Follow me, folks. This is Consumer's Doctor on the behalf of Dollar Care. also known as healthcareamazon.com. Goodbye and salute.